Alright, so this will be on the sources of error in the experiment, and of course we need to suggest any improvement to minimize our error. Okay, so first of all, when we are giving suggestion about the errors, we cannot put the human reaction time error, we cannot put the parallax error, and of course definitely we cannot put the zero error, because these are error that that will not be accepted by the Cambridge lah. Right, so first of all, let's take a look at this commonly asked question. So they will ask us, how do I ensure that the 30cm ruler was vertical? And of course, if I want to draw on the diagram, I can also draw on the diagram. Okay, so this experiment is about measuring the so-called extension of this spring. Yeah, so in order to to measure the length of this string or the extension of this string, I must put a meter rule next to the spring, right? But of course, how do I ensure that my meter rule is vertical? By looking, using our naked eyes to look, although it looks vertical, it might not be vertical. So we must ensure. How do we ensure this? By using a set square, right? I just put a set square right here, and as long as it is perpendicular to the so-called the surface of the bench, it will be vertical. The meter will be vertical. Or you can use another suggestion is that you can use a retort stand and to clamp the meter rule vertically. Alright, so this is two commonly used methods. So first of all, use a set square. Okay. Alright, so this is the first way. Of course, you can put a second just to be more, just to get the marks. Right. Second will be use retort stand to clamp the rule to ensure that it's vertical. Okay, so this is the second way of so you can also combine these two ways. You can use a retort stand to clamp, then after use a set square to ensure it's perpendicular to the surface of the bench. Yeah, so this is how you do your vertical meter rule.